Hi, my name is Jacqueline Roberts, and I'll start with some personal information about myself. I am married, been married for about 3 years, and I'm expecting our first baby in September. Um, I am from Littleton, Colorado, and have lived in Colorado my whole life. I currently live in Denver. Um, and we have a little Yorkie that I've had for about 8 years. And my educational background, I attended Jeffco Public Schools throughout K-12, which is where I currently teach. And then I attended the University of Northern Colorado in Greeley, and went there for 4 years for elementary education. And in the last 9 years of teaching, have continued to take courses and done those through Regis and through Jeffco. So I currently have about 8 classes that I have credit for outside of my master's. So my personal goals in the next 1 to 5 years, obviously starting a family. And I just want to really continue living a healthy lifestyle. So for me, that really, the important things include travel, family, fitness, and food. So I don't know if I'm a foodie per se, but I think that nutrition is very important, and a balanced fitness routine. And like I said, travel is really important for me and my husband. Maybe towards the end of those 5 years, I'd like to buy a new house. We've been in our current house about 2 years. 6 to 10 years, I think I really just kind of want to continue the 1 to 5 year plan and grow a family. And beyond the 10 years for my personal goals, I want to really maintain relationships and maintain the lifestyle and home that we've created. So, as far as my professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years, I think obviously I'd like to finish my master's degree, finish my master's program, and earn a degree in educational administration, and just really continue learning from my current mentors, my principal and community superintendent. In the next 6 to 10 years professionally, I think I'd like to become a principal, ideally at my current school. My principal had mentioned to me that she thought it would be a great fit for me to step into her shoes when she was ready to retire in the next 5 years or so. So that would be fantastic. I really like the community there, and I think it would be awesome to just jump into a school that I'm already familiar with. And beyond 10 years, maybe continue being a principal or look at other options within the district, such as community superintendent. So we'll see. I think that I chose Fort Hays State University definitely for 2 reasons. One is the cost, and two, I was recommended by a friend. So I have 2 friends that teach up at Fort Collins High School, and they are both taking courses through Fort Hays, and they recommended it. And when I saw the price, I said, done. And so my expectations of the program initially are to really have real life experiences and meaningful courses in which I can grow my leadership skills and know how to jump into the role of building principal when I get to that point. So anyway, excited to be here. Thanks a lot.